It's okay.
Okay, the previous one told me to keep it in fourth.
Yeah.
But here we go to third.
Apex. Okay, apex. Okay, now separate.
There's a gas bit.
Right.
Apex. And then open up.
Okay.
Oh, it's too much.
It's very open.
It's too much. Yeah. Sorry about that.
No, it's okay. And to enjoy the car because it's very strong and the power is okay to move when you open the direction.
Yeah, there's a lot of torque.
Yeah.
So forward, but not as wide as before. Take it here. It's
better.
Fíjate lo del mundo.